si ndio? Na hata leo hatutaki vita, tunaenda tu petition na tumesema bwana DCC hatutaguza kitu yoyote, hatuwezi hata leta shida yoyote. Tunaingia tu tunaweka huko, kama yuko tunapini kule kwa mlango. Ili akikuja asome, amke. Jina yake anaitwa Innocent. Ameamua kuwa innocent sana. Tunataka tu akue amke kidogo. Hatuna ubaya na yeye. Sio hivi barua tu tunampatia dakika 5 tumetoka tunaenda. Hatuwezi hata furugu hapa sisi afisa tunakuheshimu.
Hapo ndio mwisho.
Aseki. Abantu baminto, today the 15th of April 2024, we have assembled today for a peaceful procession to protest the delay of the Nyamache DCC camp breach. Where we are standing, it's one of the most vital breaches we have in Bobasi constituency. This breach was swept away last year, 1st of May. Up to date, it's now 1 year. The breach has not been re-erected back. Our people are suffering. We have witnessed so many accidents here. Businesses have been shattered. Even our ordinary people cannot access the government services that are provided at the DCC's office, the services provided at the Nyamache Level 4 hospital. We have a KMTC. We have even the police themselves. We have the Nyamache parish where we have the local priest. They cannot be able to access the services provided by those entities. Today, after we have received so many petitions from our people, we are petitioning the office of the Member of Parliament. We are petitioning KERA. We are petitioning KENA. We are petitioning and any other relevant agency responsible to making this breach. We have given them 14 days that we must see work going on here. Failure to do so, again, we will be on the streets. Protesting and picketing is our constitutional right. So we are doing it by our right. It's a right that we have to protest. When our people are suffering as leaders, we cannot keep quiet. Number two, we are protesting in relation to the unfair distribution of CDF funds across the 8 wards. We have 8 wards. We are reminding our Member of Parliament, Hon.Obiri, that CDF came as a result of an act of 2003. The result of that, the rationale behind was that we have development which is even across the country. What we are seeing here in Bobasi constituency is just shambles. We do not have fair distribution of resources. We are demanding as a people of Bobasi that we have a criteria that when we ask questions on the monies that we receive as a constituency, the Member of Parliament should be able to respond without blinking. We have raised reservations on the emergency fund that he is always allocating in his budget. We are raising reservations on the money for sports. We have never seen sports in Bobasi constituency, but every year there is an allocation that goes to sports. As Masige East and Sameta Mukwerero, we are raising concerns. We never received a single school bus, but the 6 wards that we have, they indeed received. Even 1 ward received 2. So we are asking our Member of Parliament, even when he's down there trying to allocate resources to wards, may he be guided by the principle of equity. Failure to do so, we have solutions. Equity, tutasimamisha rege ya CDF ya Bobasi. How we are going to do it We will ask the control of budget in Nairobi. We will raise reservations about the unfair distribution of resources, and they will be forced to allocate equal funds per ward.
Sasa kwa mikono yangu hapa nimebeba petition. A petition that's petitioning the Honorable MP for Bobasi, Honorable Hon.Obiri, who has decided to be innocent like his name. Honorable Obiri is being petitioned this afternoon by over 2,000 members of the public. And the media can see signatures from members of the public asking Honorable Obiri to wake up and do his job. And we as the representatives of the people tumekuja hapa sababu ya kufanya kongamano la amani. Tumetembea kutoka kule Nyamache na tumefika kwa bridge ambayo iliswipiwa by the rains in 1st May 2023. So kufika sasa, we are actually supposed to have an anniversary for this bridge. Sababu Mheshimiwa Obiri ameamua hata itengeneza. Na sisi kama wakilishi wenu tumeamua tuje hapa sauti ya wananchi isikike. Mheshimiwa Obiri tumebeba petition hapa and we are presenting the petition peacefully to the CDF office of Nyamache here. And we will ask that Mheshimiwa Obiri must respond to it within 14 days. Failure to which we will be asking the residents of Bobasi to have signatures to remove Mheshimiwa Obiri from office. Mnakubaliana? Let me repeat. We have a petition here and we are presenting the petition to the CDF office and the office of the MP for Bobasi. That within 14 days, if he does not respond, we remove him from office. We are not able to access services. And I want to ask the residents of Bobasi that we must come out and call out this MP to wake up and do his role. Asanteni sana.
Ebintu mutuma begete esa mutandao na injenga teva injustice yere Bobasi rasima na injen soke buno mumuromoremu lakini kio koligera liga wali bonse petwa borite na barabo bochumbe ninchira chirengo ko barwandire kurumagega egante kamango teva iliye taraja ya Nyamache ya gwete ona alenga Nairobi nkaganyo mochumbe norose ngokwa kareodi elinde tarache yorosigo nkabwata inche sauria abantu ba Nyamache mbanga kene chikura gatebe ngandona akore no gotema na inche rose nimba kerembu ya mono nkagenda nali ngakura na Murkomen ngatebe Murkomen etaracha ito ya gure inse Murkomen baadaye akacha antabi yabe kwe block umheshimiwa Seino okuru kwa Obiri atebe tatali mochumbe obekire block obeino komeke block nueri ringo chiko sabe estima eli na abantu bande banyole chi transformer oisone na sabe estima asegete nero kanyoro minyo kirego chiobe kire block igo monto imwa chorto no moerare eli akabere babasmami ndonko batevi na rochi basali chiko sichiko yana nugaiga abantu mbare batanyole te chibasali bagatevi una aye mamu mino na tato mino nyarebe ngo koraki arengo campaign elia bono nerte nyole diki tanyole te basali ekirendekia una motuma na bagaka bateba omugako yorare mono ena nyora no na matotali ko igubuya parliament iliya bandi bachi basabe kwene CDF egeseke tayo abandi bagese CDF to 200 million akagesero kareterwa ime dusene bai makorusigu otayuna ki basali chiagesire abantu baminto dere na chaga iga no mocho koroino na chaga iga mbatebia inu mwachoro mheshimiwa for equal representation maigure yani kinyanjui unako ba represented no mheshimiwa na umongino uri omogotu omongino uri tanyale kogorora kogendie gari yako na korobiri nere akoba represented equally maigure na inche na chirega yako batabina niko basorora inche tali kirokio biri ntagetaboniga emiaka ya ninye mwete ko chimotugaiga nchege ndonta gete no kumwaka ngora iga motera kyo mwaka boka erinda abantu baito banyare kugenda nyagitari erinda abantu baito bagende kurusia emebere mochari erinda abantu baito bagende kwenda polisi kobeka chiripoti onye bagese machire gaiga wakera mutume na bagaka egente kebagete negente kiya sana na inche nasoka nachamba bwatesi erinda nkyo namokondoka acting MP ango yabo basi mbuya mono wani yango taratole ochumutugali.
They are going to receive 18 million for a school in the same constituency and 22 million for a police station. So I would like to ask our people to see the kind of injustice that this member of parliament is doing. And I want him to wake up, to know that he has 8 wards and he needs to divide everything equally to everybody in the constituency. Thank you so much. We are going to come back in 14 days. To see if he has given us a contractor who is going to make this wall. Thank you so much.
Moyo mure. Moyo mure. Warangeri mura mwateba ho. Mura. 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 None kisimba. Enabuganga lero abamuragete kwa babangire ntozo wanyamaja. Yani nabuganga inka nyamaja ngonja mwale ngeti nso nyamaja ngonja mwale mutaka itobekeri bera so biri tobekeri bera malenga mutaka itobekeri bera liberera toko bekero biri tari eliyoko murekero bo ne eliyoko motura aboke akolegas titota getikere kokio biri lakini ekatiba nane notote chinguru nonya ninche mokora na ararire emogontura ntabogeti mondu usio igono eno obiri mbibere aboke gositokoreki lichi kondro liko morusia nana rie tu achakire atachie tia changa muke bwango ngobwe kanare omugako yo nyari bari orusi okoro kumonda tigabantu ba mintomba kere buya mwensi pi bali moto tegererete bali motabo mwacha bakore biashara iga ninka titogotaka machafuko andonsi abega iga yeiki tiagas na kende gions nonya abantu abange baegwe bibesa ngamba asoka nonare gotigaranje bweka enare gotara bune bali mopara ekugerekere bintu bisaregete go ikante nene boronge n'abantu bana twakwane tase press togateba injustice yabeire ase CDF ya Bobasi togateba bune tarache ya nyamache ya chandekiro mwaka umugima aru Nairobi oteba ngaki Monseri tigambere na inwe na inche nkwane kwani aba yo mubara no tore na mugisangione twatare nere miaka ebere bado ntogendereta gusuguma akoro kunga Jacob barongo bagaka mukarojega abantu abatura ababere nabatangasire rero Bobasi ya mambia buna togo jikoba moyo teriale mono goetani abantu batene pick up we anaba tebi o mane nande gendera korigereria omusukumo tokoreta ase Bobasi ya itono na ase county ito kwa ujumla abange babori ninkieke mutuma ko bori asibwero korire gasi enena etinda akora nene ni manyetebo lakini tinkorora ebintu bye wodi yane ebintu byabo Bobasi bigo sirangire ngoko bantara akora binene nkire naye buna koroje tinda akora bekeri ogi andamana kura tebi ngatinda akora ine gasi yao ya kikatiba na basikari baito bali batategotenenia maandamano haya pole sana inwe mogo tomuga iga seito Bobasi mwakore gasi mwaka yo mebere mwagenda no toiboira no tokogotera no togokwera no togotindekwa ngakiura tokani ndu andamana ngakiura aligia basikari odobekere na neji bunduki bako totishia hatuwezi tishwa abantu ba minto asobwango ntarahereri abaheshimiwa bande bara abakwa nengana ege ntekemo mutakire komanya etarache ya nyamache eyagweto mwaka yo mwarire tare 1 Mutienyo 5 2023 eyarenge koba treated bune emergency ekerege ntoke go treat kubune emergency ine no mwaku mugima kigukura no ende aro rake rubono igarero otebi bunge emergency nere buo next week yokwenda usembono iga na kinko batebya omonto togotura no monto okorokuobiri tokomotebi ngetaracha ya nyamache yabeire mia matukamange abantu baite bagwete kipanya root ebiasara kire bya nyamache mumbwaria emocheri yakule abantu barekoni kisanduki nchiyo chi petrol station chiarengo chiasikirwe ona basikari abatatu gutuminyoki no bagwete bakore patrol rere bagwete rusana ime etoko baruwanerera monyore taracha ya ino eitari egento togo saba togo tuga mainse etogo demand eserikali na ando muntu tumete go chikera kura kena ebinte ebigo kwanunga na ebikoro chipara tari maiko motomete no mojumbe motomete agende national government atoretere ebintu gaigaseite ekerara ire na intutorare gostomoture abantu baminto tigantigere gabwe bali mwategerete radio yesterday ntwakwanete injustice eras chigodi cheito buna totari konyoro mugago oisaine as chigodi cheito tito wakerwa chikura tokorereke nyomba nebinyomba mukane mokora maiko ene irigo chisobo kura mukani gekogara ekenyomba egekoirania magendero magega omonto kobeka chibesa egwodi ya eyoka o tiga chigwodi chinde kile chinene ko buye yae we cannot be able to keep quiet asa yama kego samange tiga ngokwana nde taraje gesonge gekong dariga gesongo ningo tieri ndomono engo ogechi akwa
hili. Na siku ya leo tuko hapa sababu ya kuandamana. Article 37 of the Constitution gives every Kenyan a right to picket, to demonstrate or to assemble. Leo hii sisi kama watu wa Bobasi tumekuja hapa pamoja sababu ya kulalamikia daraja ya Nyamache ambayo ilianguka ama ilioshwa na mvua kadri mwaka mmoja uliopita. Mheshimiwa wetu Hon.Obiri has decided to become innocent and not be able to defend his people of Bobasi. Natokea woli. Mheshimiwa Obiri has a responsibility. When the bridge was washed away, he cannot take the entire 12 months to get an emergency fund to be able to repair the bridge. We cannot sit here as your leaders and look at him not utilizing the funds for the sports. Ndobo atachiba just sports igaiga. Mwanyako robira kobeko mupira. Akare ochesa buya kana mongino na abana baye. Nto wanja ntwe. Na babasi. Madoto arombo jumbe. Orari rekeras. Wikatomo taborere atatobo getibuya agendenga. I am asking Mheshimiwa Obiri that in the next 2 hours we will be at the CDF office in Nyamache to ask him and petition him and the entire CDF office. Now we turn CDF will require him to appear there in person. Office egotoka Nyamache na abasa trimwanzi natotoka Nyamache CDF office turwe petition number 1 na ande gano ndagere kare ne chiba cha CDF onyohiwo chibanga na atobagira banotoli kirateyo mojumbe ara eguchira 200 million chiba 200 million ntwaro genta koleire nonye tata ite kokora kiendere ntako cha sida raja yoka. And I'm asking all of us that after this assembly here we are going peacefully. Ndobo ate koma cha kone west togenda pake police station ngadrogoro aso office ya CDF jire agara to petition no Mheshimiwa Obiri na obisi aye to moboringa. How long will it take him to wake up from his slumber? How long will it take to be able to listen to the cries of the people of Bobasi? How long will it take to see that we are tired, we are perplexed? Nani tu arosira sekena kuikabo okay
korobo itagale mata aligale omonto yogoro kuobiri tukamwachi kurabuya agateba nasomete kubwa manoti kumbe tasomete manoti asometa omonto ori ari gitoro obwatiro boiri jibesa obekire jinda rume twamotebiri arosie para bwangire ekorukoro igare yagenda burangi yagenda matiere obwatiro bwiri orosi dijira odabotu jibwa emati round about jiri ngijigo kwa rusinga omusaja uri bwayo ikaro sie jo talibo esukuru ke yamene jo tijiyo esukuru go itangale jo tijiyo omanyire kolende jeki erefeki omwesimiwo mogima bunge tali kugamba bwa etali kugamba omuntu oyu ngayale omuntu oyu mute omwaka bweli 2027 abagolithi chibesi chito chile milioni 210 hata ete gocha kubasera chibesi chili chigocha chiragire kabisa lakini omuntu agambe emyaka etano nondaga ndose bono
n'abaisimiwa mura tumusifu Yesu Kristo. Bado mapambano isangani kabisa jengo kwana yongoro Kevin Ogechi na ndoite pa central abo ninje ndaki tinye msie pa central moro chitaya ege dongo te abaneke omo isimiwa obere mwanjira tomwekera liberera adotagete kago sinikorosie daraja tobeke chisiginaja agendeka duto bwati bitina bidene imbwati mangana manje ndamano tobwata yo murembe tobwati mandamano yechisege mwanze pe tigarasi nyasa mbiya more mwesimiwa mtume aba isimiwa bale gaiga gamba ina ngambia mono njo yote na gaiga akoro bunga Douglas ogetonto gosana kurupa centro inchege ntongo seba ngoteba ngelinga ngaki amandamano ni haki yo mwananchi mondo tayo ochikotogosa nganto kwandamana asenge njo edara chiri nyamache kero monto ngwetaro kire kabila ngwetero tenye kabila yaba husiboka abantu baraba kore biashara gaiga ngege ntongo basaba abantu bari nyamache ekere moko ratogo te banga peta life otogo te banga peta life asenge njo yedara cha nyamache asayo make tiganya saba seseni nande tugasane osuma abantu betere kore gasi ya serikali imbuye muno
na inchente kuwa krisa abantu baitu banyamache bonsi pi abanyabiasara na intuwe katwale kukwana na inchente bapongeza omwana oyo minto twakerete chikurokoro kunga Maiko Mutume Masase noyo minto Jacobo bakorire gente kiya twagache gwe taracheria ondoka getengansia satore maembe itune taracha tokorera amangana itone taracheria yagachwe abanyabiasara baeterwe chiaria mari chiari chitu chakenditi echigo suko kachagenda igaro gochama gweta gochema abantu baito bonsi pi innocent itutwanya komoronana matanga tari kororoka na pi oborire baka parliament oborire baka omuntu okoreta agaiga omuntu okorukumo our excellency president oyo itoruto ruto sinyugo chagaiga tingi tabwatyo mu MP bone bano togosabanga oyo minto ruto ijota renya mache orore taracha kwa eterete taracha teyo kwa hivyo tumeomba huyu mheshimiwa Ruto akuja hapa Nyamache kwa ajili ya hii barabara alafu achenge hiyo taracha ndio tunamuheshimu tu atupatie hiyo taracha mwatabira agaje taracha nini kwa kiki to to moi na sentia yenda hali atoletere Ruto wai gabanito ona nando reire innocenti kamuranja abantu bamintaba ya ndoligo itamonto intune taracha tokolera na CDF baminto yasinyuko bagubiya gekwagwa basani boka bona ga kareta mangana jipasi akabaga jiko kwele jeri chinde echinde akatige site yemo orure chibesa akorwe site yemo mojumbe kyoyo yamano nakore